What if I told you that the camera in your pocket is about to become obsolete? Imagine a world where your gear doesn't just record the moment, but completely transforms it. Right now, the tech world is in a frenzy. Mysterious new imaging hardware has just surfaced through a massive wave of fresh leaks. The global creator community is buzzing with speculation. Why? Because these new devices appear to break every rule we know. We are talking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and a game-changing hybrid drone called the Avata 360. These aren't just minor updates. They are a total reimagining of how we film our lives. When you look at both products together, the strategy is clear. DJI is pushing for smaller, smarter, and more adaptable devices. They are replacing bulky multi-camera setups with tools that reduce friction. This gives solo creators the power of an entire film crew. While the launch might be staggered, the implications are massive. We are entering a future where the gear moves with you, thinks with you, and captures everything. These are the most important developments to watch if you are serious about content creation in 2026. In my opinion, the Osmo Pocket 4 is the real star here. While the Avata 360